Hey everyone, today I am doing a 3 looks 1 palette video using the new Norvina Pro palette. This is volume 1. I did 3 different looks with as many of the shades as I could do. So yeah, if you want to see how I did these looks, just keep watching. This palette is literally life. It's so pretty. For first look, I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I don't know if I want to go into these yellowy mustardy tones or if I want to do purple. I'm just worried the purple is going to stain my eye. I think I'm going to go in with the like yellow and orange and that like mustardy tone. I think that's what the look we're going to go for. First, I'm going to take the shade C1, which is this like white matte, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Excuse my sweaty face. I don't know. My doctor will not give me anything for my sweaty face. Oh, bitch. Okay, I didn't expect it to be that pigmented. That is not really what I was going for. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. Just try and like bring that and blend. The 2 yellow tone shades swatched very dry, so I'm really curious how they are going to perform on the eyes, which is why I kind of want to do my first look with them. So I'm going to take the shade D1. I'm just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to start placing that on my outer corner and my lid and blend into the crease. Okay, so far I'm actually really impressed with that shade. This isn't like a super bright yellow. Like in the pan it doesn't look bright either. It's just kind of like a more neutral yellow. I'm actually really liking it, and it's pigmented and it's blending out really nice. Make sure you subscribe. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO. So now I'm just going to pack the yellow all over my lid. I'm going to be honest, not the biggest fan of this as an all over lid shade. It's just kind of sheer. So I think I'm going to do a half cut crease. I am going to go into the shade C2 and I'm just going to cut my crease. So this is the Shadow Dry. It's not bad. It's more of a glittery sheer color, so I'm going to go in with a damp brush. Just use some setting spray just to kind of give more of a wet. Yeah, like, look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so far this is how the look's going. I'm not really liking it, so there's that. I'm going to take E3 in the outer corner and blend along my lower lash line and then up into my crease just to give more definition. This again was one of the drier shades that I swatched, so I'm curious to see how it is. I didn't care much for D1. Honestly, D1 ended up being a bust. I ended up taking more of that E3 shade than I thought I was going to. I just ended up liking it way more than the yellow, so I just blended it out. This is the look so far. Screw it, I'm gonna go in with E2, which is that super orange shade. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that on along my lower lash line and see how it goes. I'm honestly not mad at how this is turning out. I actually dig it. I'm so glad that I added E5. I think it went with the orange and like golden tones really well. I went in with the Vegas ABH highlighter on my inner corner. I really love this highlighter. It's not too dark for my pale skin, which I like. I definitely think that mascara is perfect for this look because it doesn't take away from the beautiful glitter shade on the lid, and I absolutely love the inner corner that we got going on as well. I will attempt to do wing liner with this, but so far I'm in love. I really like how this look turned out. I also think that the gold color goes good with my hair since I still have a neon yellow hair. I really like this eye look. I think it's perfect for fall. But yeah, I really like look 1. So let's get into look 2. So for look number 2, I'm just going to do it on this eye. This is not my best eye. Ever since I had my seizure, I haven't been good at doing makeup on this eye, but we're gonna try it. I do think I want to play with the purple. I'm gonna start off with C1 and just put it in my inner corner and then blend it up into my brow bone. I'm going to actually do my inner corner just because I always end up forgetting. I'm gonna take the shade A1 because I think that would be beautiful in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna take that and put that in my inner corner first off. Really like that shade. I would totally use this as a highlighter as well. I think I'm just gonna jump straight in to the A2 shade, which is this very pigmented Barbie purple, and I'm just gonna put that on my outer corner and blend into the crease and then slowly blend onto my lid. That shade is very pigmented. I'm gonna go in with B1 just to blend it out, and I'm just gonna be switching back and forth between these shades and building up the color on my lid and blending the crease. Both of those shades are super pigmented and they did blend pretty easily. The same 2 shades, B1 and A2, to my lower lash line. I'll do the darker one on the outer corner, then the lighter one towards the inner, and then I'm also going to take A1 again and just put that on my inner corner again, and then my lower lash line just a tiny bit as well. Here's look 2 finished. The wing liner didn't turn out horrible. It didn't turn out great, but it's not horrible. It's not horrible either. I really like how this turned out. I really do like the purple look. I'm just more so into like sunset looks, so look 2 isn't my favorite, but I still think it turned out good, and I think that if you love purple, that this could be a palette for you. I really like the shades that I did use. With that being said, let's get into look number 3. For look number 3, I am totally inspired by Kelsey93 Mir on Instagram. So sorry if I said your name wrong, but she is so sweet. And as soon as I saw this bright neon look from her, I knew I needed to recreate it as best as I can. It's honestly just so beautiful. I know she used E4, which is this really bright color. Actually, to start off, I'm going to take the shade C1 and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and blend up into my brow bone. Now I'm going to go into E4, which is that very bright neon orange, and it's like an orangey red, and I'm going to put that all over my lid and blend it into my crease. I'm going to add more E4 to my lid, blend it out a bit more. I'm going to start my lower lash line. I'm going to take E4 again, and I'm just going to build it up along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the ABH highlighter in the shade Vegas, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. There aren't really any highlighter shades in this palette, which is kind of the only drawback. So this is look 3 with just mascara. I think this look just with mascara is amazing. I'm pretty sure that the original creator did just lashes, so I think that it's beautiful, but I am going to attempt wing liner. This is honestly my most favorite look for summer ever. I absolutely love it. The shadow is amazing, and the fact that you can use it alone is great. So this is the finished look with eyeliner. I really like it with eyeliner, Ashley. I think a small wing is beautiful. Truly love how this look turned out. This is my favorite one out of all 3. Overall, I'm really enjoying this palette. I will be doing a full review very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, I just think that the shades in this palette are amazing, and from what I used, I do like them. I am disappointed in that yellow shade, but besides that, all the other shades I have liked. What do you guys think of these looks? If you have any other looks you'd like me to recreate or create, let me know down below. Let me know which palette you would like me to next in my 3 looks 1 palette series. I have quite a few to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe and go follow my Instagram. I'll be doing a giveaway soon, so keep an eye out for that. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.